Hey guys, so I know that there are some of you who are definitely trying to get rid of your bad breath, and you really want to know. Sometimes you don't know what causes it. Sometimes you know. Okay, so what causes bad breath? Let us look at some of the factors that causes bad breath. Okay, oral hygiene, guys. This I think this goes without saying. You need to brush your teeth properly, not this quick 2-second brush and you're out. You need to take your time, brush your teeth. What is it? The standard, I think, is about 2 minutes. You need to brush your teeth properly. And you also need to brush your tongue or use a tongue scraper and scrape your tongue as well. So that will help, at least reduce the bad breath and the plaque build up on your tongue and your teeth. So you take your time and brush your teeth. What I actually do sometimes, not every day, but on probably 3 times a week, I would put a little bit of baking soda on my toothpaste, just normal baking soda, and I will go in and scrub my mouth with that as well. And I actually take my time to scrub. And every time I brush my teeth, I will floss. Guys, flossing is so important to get rid of the food between your teeth. I know there's a lot of people that probably think, oh, the teeth don't gather food, but trust me, it gathers food, and you don't even know. You really can't tell, right? But probably next morning you get up with extremely bad breath, and you really want to know what causes it. And that is one factor that contributes to bad breath when you don't floss properly. Another contributor to bad breath is basically what you eat. If you eat a lot of sugary food, and if you have an extreme poor diet, that can contribute to you having bad breath, because whatever you put in is what comes out. All right. And another contributor to bad breath is tonsil stone, guys. So there this tonsil stone that is, well, basically is food particles and so that is stuck in the back of the tonsil, the back of the throat, and it creates this horrible it has this horrible smell, right? But there are about 10%, I think 10% of the population that has that. Who knows? But it is something that definitely plagues a lot of people, and it also contributes to the bad smell in your mouth as well. Okay, so let us jump into what you can use to prevent bad breath. All right, so guys, I think this is juicy part, because actually this morning I just realized that, hey, this actually works for bad breath, so I need to do a video on it. So I'm doing a video now. So if you're someone who constantly are afraid to open their mouth on mornings, next to your boyfriend or your husband, because your breath is so stinky, you need to listen on, because the last tip here will blow your mind. Okay, so how to control this bad breath, right? So so you brush your teeth on a regular basis, guys. So if after every meal, I would recommend after every meal. So if you eat 3 times a day, 3 meals, square meals, you brush your teeth after that. Okay? Easy and simple. So if you're going to work, you go to work. If you're working, you will want to walk with your toothbrush and your toothpaste so that you can brush your teeth after you eat. I think that is the only common sense thing to do when you're away from home, right? And this is something I used to do, and definitely I used to feel so much more confident when I step into a meeting and I can talk freely, because I know I brush my teeth after eating a meal filled with garlic. Oh, just joking. But, after eating my lunch, I definitely go and brush my teeth, because I think this is the only, the best sanitary thing to do. It doesn't matter if you're home or whether you're working. It sucks for me when I have food stuck in between my teeth. I always love to clean my teeth. have my mouth clean, my tongue clean, and I feel great. Okay, so the other tip, right, is of course to visit your dentist on a regular basis. Some persons, I know, they haven't seen a dentist for years. Guys, this is something that I don't think is pretty common here, and well, with a lot of persons, because to them, if they don't have a problem or something not hurting them, they don't go to the dentist. But going to the dentist is crucial, right? So if you have when you go to a dentist, if you suffer from bad breath, the dentist can probably assist you with that. Well, not probably, definitely they'll be able to tell you if you have any rotten tooth or a decayed tooth or a gum disease, gum problems, and that will definitely contribute to you having a bad breath. Even tonsil stones, they'll be able to diagnose that as well. So going to a dentist at least once a year is important. And I also, my family, my husband, and I go to dentists on a regular basis. My husband as well, my kids, yes, they get their regular dental visits as well, even though they're 7 and 9. But yes, it's important, even though because they're going through that stage where they would they brush their teeth by themselves. And trust me, I don't think it's probably not being brushed 100% properly, but I try my best to go in every now and again to assist with the brushing. I even got the electric toothbrush, so that can help and make the brushing fun and easier. I was told by a dentist that kids cannot really, use their hands to angle the brush in different positions in the mouth. So it's best that parents assist, or we can get the electric toothbrush, and that is what we did. We got the electric toothbrush, and it has been a tremendous help to us and to the kids because they actually brush their teeth longer. So, while they're in there brushing and having fun and they're hearing the music, it is being brushed properly, at least. Okay? So my other point in eliminating a bad breath, and I think that is the best solution to bad breath, especially, remember I spoke about the stinky breath in the mornings? Whew, guys, drinking green tea, and not any green tea, right? You can use the mint green tea or, well, the peppermint, mint, same thing, I think. So you can drink green tea, all right? And green tea is something that I love. But the best green tea for me is drinking peppermint or mint green tea. And that I have seen tremendous results in my breath. And it doesn't matter what I eat during the day. Well, I can't say what I eat. Of course, if you eat garlic, you'll smell like garlic. But I drank my mint tea early this morning on an empty stomach. And I do not put sugar in my tea. All right? I don't put sugar at all. If you want to know how I prepare my mint tea, please, guys, let me know below and I can actually do a video to show you the process in how I do that, okay? And at night, drinking my mint tea is probably the last thing I do. Yes, it is the last thing I do before I go to bed, and something I really enjoy. And when I wake up in the morning, it's like my teeth is almost brushed because I don't get that strong morning breath that most people have. And I was like, oh my gosh, why does my breath smell so flowery? But I think what really contributed to that was me drinking the mint tea, because I was having a bit of an acid reflux the night before. So I decided, let me just drink some mint tea and chill, before I go to bed. And I did that, and my breath was so amazing, guys. Okay, another thing I would like to drink I like to drink that also helps with bad breath is parsley water, okay, or green juice made with parsley, however you use it, however you call it or make it. Parsley also helps reduce that breath. It helps 100%, and I have experienced it as well. So, and so there are natural ways in that will help you to eliminate bad breath, and I think we all should probably try it before we do anything else. So these are my tips. Oh, there's one more tip also. I did promise you this little tip, like if you're away from the office, or you just don't have your toothbrush or toothpaste with you, what you can use is a sugar-free gum. Yes. And I think that works well for me. Sometimes if I'm out in the field working, I will simply pop a sugar-free gum after lunch. I'm not a big fan of eating out on the go when I'm busy, but if you need if you need it, right? Very rare I would use it, but if you need it, it will work. It will do the trick. All right. So these are all my little tips and tricks on how to control your bad breath, guys. So I want you to tell me how you control your bad breath. Right? We're all humans. We're all, have had or have bad breath at some point in time. So let us continue the discussion below. I really want to hear from you guys. And of course, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.